Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. In today's video, I just want to share with you the newest purchase that I make from the LV store during my trip to check out the new collection from LV last week. So here is the unboxing video for that trip. So this handbag right here was not on any of my wish list. I didn't even think that I will ever go for this style at all. But it is, you know, sometimes you are caught in the moment and the next thing you know, you just make the decision on the spot. And that is how I was during that trip to LV. So this handbag is a little bit of an unexpected even for myself. Yeah, so let's unbox this beauty right here. So I came into LV that day because there were two of the handbags that I have on my mind. The first one I really want to see is the Alma BB in the Damier Azur. Like I say, I was almost purchasing it when it first came out, but then I was like, maybe not. Maybe I will wait for it. I need to see it in person. The next handbag that I really want to see is the Micro Pochesmatics. I already placed an order for that one, but then I canceled it because I was like, maybe the word micro mean that is really small and I need to see it in person first. And I am glad that I did because it's super tiny. And for something that tiny with that price tags, I am not very happy with it. So so here we are unboxing something that entirely different and new for me. Let me put this down. So this is one of the bags that I also checked out that day, and for some reason it's just calling my name the entire time. But right after I purchased this, when I was in the car, I was like, maybe I just make the wrong decisions. I am not 100% sure about my feeling on this beautiful baby right here. Yeah, so I decide that I will go for the marshmallow, and oh my god, the color is the thing that's calling my name the entire time. It's just a beautiful color. LV did such a good job this time to create this beautiful combo. So let's introduce you all to this beautiful marshmallow baby. So this is in the Coatis canvas, and I was like, the entire time I saw the pictures and even the handbag, I thought it is a leather piece. No, it is made from Coatis canvas, and for a canvas piece, this is retail for $2,780. I end up paying around $3,000 for this baby right here after tax. I am not entirely happy with the price for a piece of canvas, but at the same time I have to give LV their compliments because the color is phenomenal. It's just so beautiful. So right here, all of this monogram, canvas, leather. The canvas is of a Coatis, like more of a matte finish, right? And this is a shiny finish, but it's have glitter in there too. So it's super glittery, and on the camera we can't really capture it, except you can see that it's really shiny. But in person, you can see that it have glitter in it, and when the sun hit it at the right angle, it's just really beautiful. So this is a true rare unicorn piece. I really like the strap that they put on the lock, the little bow, and the button and everything. It's just really nice and really smooth moving around, and it's also doing a good job staying upright. And I really love their gold hardwares. It's really beautiful, shiny, and the leather and the zipper is really smooth. So I also like that. A lot of people complain about LV zipper, but this case, the zipper worked really fine for me. So for the inside of the bag, it is lined with fabric linings, and it is in the color of light purple, and this is a piece made in France. So inside they also have the LV logo and a lot of small flower monograms, and they are in different color as well, and they are from darker to lighter colors, so it's create a really cute ombre effect even in the inside of the bag. So this bag right here, they pay a lot of attention. So in the pictures that I saw, all of the color is really vibrant, but in person it's really like a beautiful shade of pastel. Super beautiful. So on the bottom of the bag, with this beautiful purple monogram on top of the pink canvas, I really like it, but I just wish that they put, you know, the hardware feet on the bottom to kind of protect this beautiful color on the bottom. So so that is the only thing I don't like about this. It doesn't have the feet on the bottom. They could even put, you know, the flat one that they put on the Alma BB to just kind of protect the bottom of the bag a little bit better than this. So I will be very paranoid putting this anywhere, because the color is kind of light, but again, my SA told me that since it's this type of material could be wiped up really easy, so it's not like that much of a big deal out of it. The things that I should look out more is for the color transfer wise. But again, it is such a beautiful bag. So this shape is more like a hobo shape. It's nothing new. A lot of the fashion house coming out with a bag this shape before. But for some reason, this doesn't look like one of those old looking bag. It's giving me so much of a modern vibe, and it's just a beautiful unicorn effect. And I just love that is I could carry it as a shoulder bag very easily. They also come, this bag also come with a crossbody strap. Let me show you. So this is the crossbody strap that's come with that bag, but I am not so sure if I will ever use this bag as a crossbody. It's really big and bulky, so I don't know the crossbody gonna work for it. But here's the strap. It does come with the removable options and also recyclable option. Also, the color of the strap is ombre, pink to purple. So beautiful. So here's the hardware, traditional LV clasps, and we could hook it on this side. So for a bag like this, I don't think that it needs any more of the accessory, because the bag itself is really overwhelming. So adding anything to it is kind of too much. Like this, if you even think of put on a charms or a tilly, I think it will be a little too much for this bag, because it's already beautiful by itself. So that's it for the video today. Thank you so much for joining me. At this point, I could totally tell you that I really love this bag. It's super beautiful in person, And also it's really fun. It's super fun. It is something that I never thought I would be adding to my collection at any point, but I just did. And my essay tell me that this is the last bag that they have in the store, and also there's only several left in United States right now. So if you really like it, go grab it, because it's gonna be sold out really quick, because you know the color is so beautiful and everything. It's just so right for this bag. But yes, that's it for the video today, guys. Up until this point, if you think that my video is helpful, then please consider to give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel if you think I am enjoyable. Thank you, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.